So good afternoon again from Johannesburg. This is the 10th consecutive annual meeting of New Horizons in Cardiology, and I have the pleasure to share this conference with the President of the European Society of Cardiology, Professor Jeroen Bax from Leiden in the Netherlands. So we've been here for the last 4 years, I believe, Jeroen, and we have the opportunity to exchange some scientific ideas and show some cases. We meet again here in the annual rendezvous, and I believe you enjoy to exchange some ideas and converse with the young cardiologists from South Africa.
No, absolutely, Petros. It's great to be here, and I think the audience is really into clinical cardiology, echocardiography, how we do things in Europe, how we do things in the United States, how things are done here. I think it's a really, really good exchange, and you pick up in the room also the motivation of the young people who are really keen to discuss and to learn. And if you look at the sort of questions being put forward, there is a lot of interest in what we're doing. And also, I think what we bring is a very good course. So it's very practical, hands-on, very complete, going from guidelines from ESC towards more practical management with echocardiography. How does it impact your patient management? No, I think all in all, it has become one of the leading courses in this country, bringing together clinics, guidelines, and echocardiography hands-on.
Absolutely, and I think every year one of the main organizers, Ferran de Peters, is able to renew the program to bring in new speakers from all over South Africa and beyond. I met today some people from Tanzania and other parts of Africa, and it's really becoming a truly inter-African meeting. But how do you see now, with your hat as President of the European Society of Cardiology, how do you see South Africa, which is a fairly remote and not such a rich country, being somewhat integrated into the European Society of Cardiology and perhaps by and large into Europe?
Well, that's also something that is, I would say, coming with age. You say that the meeting is maturing, it's getting stronger all the time. The same goes for the relation between ESC and Europe versus Africa. When I look at the numbers of people registering for ESC coming from the countries in Africa, you see it increasing every year. And there is really a lot of interest from this part of the world into what we're doing. You were clear in pointing out that the things are different here. You have very places where everything is possible, and then you have the places where there's lots of things not yet feasible or not yet implemented. This has to do with local culture things, but also financial issues. But we see that this part of the world is very quickly catching up now.
Well, I think we are looking forward to the rest of the meeting, Professor Bax, my friend Jeroen, and thank you again, and hopefully we will meet again here next year.
I'm really looking forward to that. I'm counting on it also. And at this moment in time, by the way, I'd like to wish you good luck, because I'm learning that you're one of the candidates for the future incoming president of the Hellenic Cardiac Society. That is a strong society, and I wish you much good luck. Hope to see you also here next year, and lots of the audience. It was a wonderful meeting. Thank you again for having us.
Thank you very much, and thank you all.